Hello, my name is Marie. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, thanks for visiting Desert Rose Crafting. Today I'm participating in the 5 Under 5 challenge. We'll talk more about that later, so let's get started with these very budget-friendly DIYs. For the first DIY, items needed from the Dollar Tree are this decor sign, foam stars, Patriotic stickers from Hobby Lobby. They were $2.99, but I got them at 40% off. You'll also need some scrapbook paper, a glue stick, Mod Podge, a glue gun, and a flathead screwdriver. The first thing I did is remove this piece. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and carefully pry this off. And it comes off just like that. The inside of this sign is 4.5 by 4.5 inches. I'll cut out some scrap paper and adhere it to the inside. I used a glue stick to adhere the scrapbook paper in this sign. Now I'll pick out the stickers. After you put on your stickers, you can brush on some Mod Podge. Now I'll hot glue the foam stars into the sign, and I'll come back with a final reveal. Here it is, all complete. I love how this turned out. Those cute little stars add a great patriotic touch to this decor sign. So today I'm participating in the 5 Under 5 challenge. It's a patriotic theme and it is dear to my heart. I'm very happy to be a part of this. The host of the challenge is Emily with Farm Charm Chic, Missy from Crafty Cove, and the guest host is Tammy from the Rusted Willow. This is a wonderful group of ladies. They are very welcoming. I'll leave their channel links as well as a playlist for the other creators in the description box below. On to DIY number 2. From the Dollar Tree, you'll need this hanging whiteboard and these window clings. You'll also need these stars I got from Hobby Lobby at 40% off, 2 tumbling tower blocks, white chalk paint, and a glue gun. Now I'll go ahead and dry brush this board using some white chalk paint. You can hot glue 2 tumbling tower blocks to the back so it can be displayed upright. Here's how it's looking so far. I chose America the Beautiful. You can choose whichever window cling you'd like. I'll hot glue the stars around the board and I'll be back with the final reveal. Here it is. I love how this America the Beautiful DIY turned out. The stars add a beautiful pop of color and it's perfect for your patriotic decor. On to DIY number 3. Items needed from the Dollar Tree are this beach sign, this little flag cake topper, garland, window clings, white chalk paint, red paint, and a glue gun. I painted this off camera. Now I'll use some Mod Podge over this window cling. Now I'll take some of this garland and I'm going to wrap it around the house. You can secure the garland by twisting the ends in the back. I'll put the flags on this and then I'll come back with the final reveal. Here's the little house all decorated. I think this looks so festive. I added a few more stickers and I think this DIY turned out really cute. On to DIY number 4. You'll need this arch decor from the Dollar Tree. The rest of the items are from Hobby Lobby. The flagwood piece is 79 cents, scrapbook paper at 59 cents, and the stickers were at 40% off. The first thing I did is remove this piece. It's really easy to come off. Next, trace out the scrapbook paper. Next, hot glue your scrapbook paper onto the back of the arch. I'll attach the flag and a sticker and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here it is, all completed. It was so simple and easy to do. Just by adding a few items, it turned this Dollar Tree decor into a beautiful patriotic display. For DIY number 5, this is going to be the easiest one on this video. You'll need a Dollar Tree sign, this 4th of July hanging sign, and these cute firecrackers that I got at Hobby Lobby. They were on sale for 40% off, and you'll also need a glue gun. The first thing to do is cut out this 4th of July sign. Next, use some hot glue to adhere this sign. I will attach the firecrackers and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here it is all done. This was so quick and easy to do. I added a bow and it completes the look of this cute 4th of July sign. Here's a final look at all my patriotic DIYs. I really love how they all turned out. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment to let me know which one of these was your favorite. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you like this content, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. Have a great day. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!